Hi there, it's Chelle. We are doing a quick flip through of the Fall Aspen Journal. So wanted to show you guys this. This was from an actual book cover, and Clint covered it with some fabric. So the spine has been reinforced, and I think it was about 6 by 9. It's a perfect size book. We just picked one that had a good size spine. And because we put the fabric on it, we know that's going to reinforce it. We have fabric on the inside and the outside. And then Clint made this beautiful drawing. It was aspen trees, and then he wrote fall on the side in wood burning. So there is a video on that if you're interested, and has 2 signatures, right about 100 pages front and back. We have a seam binding tie, and let's get into here. So beautiful. So we did a hidden spine. As you could tell, there wasn't any strings on the outside, the hidden spine, though I did put some lace kind of just poking out, so you can see that. Sorry, Clint's been rearranging, and I'm inside and I feel kind of cattywampus or something. Oh, one thing is I'm sitting in his rocking chair. Okay, so beautiful. The digitals that were used in here were from Tina over at Shabby Dabby Doodle. So I will put a link below of what they were. Such beautiful little fall critters and just fun digitals. This is a tuck. Then we have a little tag with journaling on the back, and then this opens. I meant to show this when I put this in there. This was from one of my subscribers. I can't remember who it was. It was last year, I believe, and then plenty of journaling spots in there. So let's tie that quick. This will be going up in my Etsy at 4 o'clock today, so Mountain Time. So put that in there. Beautiful coffee dyed paper from my friend Robin. And then some of these tags are from Darcy, and some digitals from Tina. I just kind of put them in here. Make sure you have plenty of journaling. There's tons of journaling in here. This was a collage page edge, but I made it into a book belly band. Sorry, my brain just kind of quit. Beautiful paper. In here is some more beautiful pieces from my subscribers. This one is from Carol Valenta in this glass scene. Look. And these were from Blue Fern Studios, the main papers in here. Have a beautiful fabric flip that one of my subscribers sent. Just really pretty. Tons of stuff, and I will be sending along a envelope full of goodies so that you can decorate pages as you want. And then this is a beautiful piece from Darcy. So there's a little pocket there, and then a little pocket with journaling card there. And then over here on the side is another journaling card there. I love that, Darcy. This was one of my paper clips we made. It's kind of like a paper clip folio. This was on the other side, actually. Hold on. Okay, it's stuck. Oh, I have to remember what I was doing. But yeah, it's a folio. It opens, and it has a little journaling piece there and a little tag there. And then it has this really pretty paper clip on it. And then this tucks in here. I think that's how I had it. And then I have this piece here, a like that. Oh, and then this was underneath. There's a lot going on in here. There we go. Let's see. And I did finish, this is what I was waiting on. This morning I made 2 little nuts. So, and I tied it through the crocheted nut because I want to make sure that it stays, because these are just from nature. They're not plastic or anything. So I didn't want to drill a hole or anything. So that should be pretty sturdy. Like that. Beautiful coffee dye papers. This was from a subscriber, and another piece of journaling paper, and just fun little pieces in this little pocket. And this was inspired by Mara. There's a journaling card there, but then this opens and I have a key on it just to kind of give it a little bit of bulk and some interest. Sorry. It's got so many fun elements to this journal that it's kind of hard to... Hope I pulled the right one through. I did not. But anyways, this is supposed to come out. Okay, here we go. And then this opens, and then this opens down so that you can journal there. And we have this little piece here, and that's going to allow you to write on all 4 sections. And then this folds back up in here, and then I'll put it back together later. But these 2, let me show you real quick. I don't want you not to know how to put it back together. So just what I find the easiest is to put both of them together and go through the eyelet. There we go. And then the key will go back on there. I'll come back to that. And then we have another fun piece. This one is from my friend Mimi Susan. If I can get to it, sorry. So it's just a fun little glassine bag. Has some goodies inside there. Some more beautiful papers. And this was also from a subscriber. So we have some good goodies in here. Fun little journaling card. And then another piece of Tina's Beautiful Digital. I love this paper. This one was, like I said, was from Blue Fern Studios, and it was called, I think it was called The Happy Accident. And then Tina's Digitals. And then this is 2 different pieces. This is a little paper clip, and then this just folds on top of the page. There is a journaling piece here, and you can look at it here. And then this is just a little cluster tucked in there. It's inspired by Miss Darcy. And then I just made this paper clip. I wanted something decorative to cover that right there. There we go. Another glassine bag, has some goodies inside there. Another paper clip, and it has some little journaling cards under there. This is a little pocket, and it just goes on the back of that paper clip. Another fabric flip. And this is a puzzle paper clip. And then I just tucked another little pocket underneath there. And then this is a little sticker underneath the back of that paper clip. And here I made another nut. Like I said, I made a couple of these today. And again, I just tied it through the crocheted part. And I did attach it with Fabri-Tac, so it should stay in there forever. So, should not be a problem. Here's a crochet, or a collaged page edge, and then a little journaling tag from Miss Darcy. And here's a little tag here. So many fun elements in here, and beautiful coffee dyed papers. Glassine bag with another journaling card. It's more of Tina's beautiful digitals. This is a little envelope pocket. Actually, I didn't put anything in there. One of my subscribers sent me that for the newest giveaway, which is so cute. I actually don't think we have any new giveaway packages to share, so won't be sharing one in today. You still have until tomorrow to get your package postmarked. So if you want to enter, I will put the giveaway information below, and you can go ahead over and check that out. Beautiful coffee dyed papers. I didn't think this needed as many decorations because of the beautiful paper. Coffee dyed and Tina's beautiful digitals. This is another one of those secret journaling spots that I showed earlier, where I took off the key. This is a Darcy tag, and that wraps it up. Isn't that beautiful? I love this journal. I think it's so pretty. So if you're interested, again, this will be going up today at 4 o'clock Mountain Time in my Etsy shop, which will be listed below, but that is the Rambling Crafter, on Etsy. And yeah, there will be a link in the details. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. It helps out our channel, and we'll see you in the next video. See you soon. Bye.